the harbor. We're excited to show you what we've done so far here at the harbor so that we can welcome our women in. So this area right here is our intake room. This is where the ladies will come in and be welcomed and sit down and do just a small little survey of what their needs are. So we're super excited about this area. And if you follow me, I'll show you the rest. This here is my office, we are still in the process of completing things, but this is where we've gotten so far. This is Assistant Director Whitney's office, and we're super excited about all the cheerful colors that these ladies are going to have when they come in. And this area is wonderful. We plan on doing some cooking in here. We're going to be baking cookies tomorrow, as a matter of fact, in this kitchen with our survivors. So we're super excited about what this is going to look like when it's completed. This is where we are going to gather and we're going to have movie nights and we're going to do groups in here. We'll do some light counseling in here. We'll meet with our ladies in here. And we're just going to have a lot of good times in this room when ladies can feel loved and safe and have a wonderful, warm place to go.
Hey family, you just heard from Heather, who walked you through the brick building, and we are so excited because we now have our certificate of occupancy and the ladies are moving in there. But phase 2 is set to recommence. I don't say commence because, as you know, we've got a lot done already inside. We've got the electrical rough-in has happened, the plumbing rough-in has happened, the insulation is already in. So follow me, I want to show you what this is going to look like, and then we'll continue down the roads. This room right here is going to be a lounge where the ladies can wait for their laundry that's going to be happening over here. You can see the rough-in for the plumbing. We'll have 2 sets of washers and dryers over there. Over here to my right will be the full bath where our ladies can come and have a shower. Some of these women haven't had a nice hot shower in a long time. And as you can see around me, we have a long ways to go. There's a lot of drywall material that is here on the floor and against the wall. And the next phase of this metal building will actually be getting the windows replaced. You saw just a moment ago when I was standing outside the broken windows. All of the windows have to be replaced. We've already got 2 new doors in. We have yet 1 more door to put in. So let me take you back through this little hallway and tell you some of the things that will be happening back here. Over here to my left, there will be 2 more offices, and as the Lord provides funding down the road, we'll hire 2 more case workers to minister to our survivors. We've got a half bath over here, a little staff break room over here, and then we're really looking forward to seeing how the Lord uses this space right here. This is wide open, as you can see, and our survivor support team plans to use this space for group meetings, group therapy, group training, and it's just going to be a very flexible space. So what we're asking you at the end of the year here is to pray that the Lord provides the needed funds to complete this metal building. Once this metal building is done and the asphalt is repaired and the landscaping is finished and the privacy fence is up and everything's done, then our ladies, our survivor support team, can just open this entire property to the community and begin to serve our ladies. So please pray with us over the course of the next few weeks as the year winds down and then 2024 begins, that the Lord would provide all the necessary funds for us to open everything and start serving the community. Thanks so much for all that you've done already in helping make this possible.